In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stacks and add blank stacks with the Quick Add feature in Wix Studio. If you're working on a Wix website and want to create a clean, organized layout, stacks are an excellent tool to help you group and structure content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a blank stack to your workspace, customize it to fit your design, and make it work perfectly for your site. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Wix Studio editor. This is the main workspace where you build and design your website. Once you've got that open, take a look at the left-hand side of the editor interface. This is where you'll find the plus icon, which is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. It's usually pretty easy to spot, so take a moment to locate it. Once you've found the plus icon, go ahead and click it. This will open up a side panel on your screen. The side panel is where you can browse through various options for adding elements and features to your website. From here, you're going to look for an option called Quick Add. Quick Add is a really convenient feature in Wix Studio because it allows you to quickly access commonly used elements, making the design process much faster and more efficient. Now, in the Quick Add submenu, you'll want to locate the Stack option. Stacks are a versatile tool in Wix Studio that allow you to group content together, making it easier to arrange and style multiple elements within a single container. Once you've found the Stack option in the menu, simply click on it. This action will insert a blank stack into your workspace. At this point, you should see the blank stack appear on your screen. It's essentially an empty container that you can start building on. Now, to begin customizing it, click directly on the stack. This will allow you to access its editing and styling options. One of the first things you'll likely want to do is edit the text within the stack. To do this, select the Edit Text option. This will give you the ability to customize the text to suit your design. You can adjust the font, change the colors, and modify the text size to ensure everything aligns with the overall look and feel of your website. Remember, this is your opportunity to make the stack fit seamlessly into your design. So take a little time to experiment with the text settings until you're happy with how it looks. Next, you can move on to styling the stack itself. You can resize and style the stack and all its components to achieve your desired layout. The flexibility of Wix Studio allows you to drag and drop the stack wherever you want it on the page. You can also adjust its dimensions by resizing it, and you can further customize the stack's appearance by playing with its background color, borders, or even adding shadows. These small adjustments can make a big difference in creating a polished, professional-looking design. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a blank stack to your Wix Studio workspace and customized it to fit your site's design. Stacks are a powerful tool for keeping your layout organized and visually appealing, and now you know exactly how to use them. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.